go. Perfect! Yeah! Today we are in Mountain Creek Bike Park. Welcome and welcome back to my channel also. It's been 3 months that I haven't been back here, and I have a season pass and I have to really make use of it because it's almost closing in a couple of months, hopefully a little bit longer, depends on the weather, and you know, depends if snow comes in early, they're gonna close and shut down the bike park. So I'm trying to make use of my time coming here and make use of my season pass. It's so good to be back here. There's new features I heard in Tempest. I want to check that out. Please stay with me, stay tuned. Out. All right, we're going to the Greenhorn to Ego Trip first. Ego Trip. You nice. Woo! You. There you go. You drop it. Right. There you go. Perfect. You. Okay, so bad. Gym fist. Oh, yeah. I go crazy with my lines. Yeah. I got a little naughty over that part. Alright, upper Dominion. Case. Whoa. Wow, that was scary. That's it. I chickened out the last one. Pipeline. Woo. Whoa. Oh, casing so bad. My goodness. At least I'm able to do it. Woo. I case all of it, yes! I have a big case of it. This one too. And this one too. You. Nice. You. Whip it. You. You. Woo. Yeah, case. You. I hate that gap. Dang it. Woo! I really still hate that gap. Oh, okay, to the right here. I see, now I remember. So this is the upper Deviant, apparently. Phew. Okay. Cleared. This is the Alpine, guys. I missed that table. I mean the wall. I don't want to do the wall yet. Wow, this is so brake bumpy. The brake bumps. Oh, this is crazy. Phantom drop, baby. Again, Rufin, whoever you are, here's your season pass card. I will bring it to the customer service of Mountain Creek. So if you are looking for it, it'll be right here, or you can get another card for you. So as I said, it's back here.